Hey everyone! Today we're making a clean and modern gift certificate in Google Docs. From scratch, step by step, it's perfect for small businesses, beauty salons, cafes, or freelancers who want to create a professional-looking certificate in just a few minutes. And if you don't want to build it yourself, there's a free template waiting for you in the description below. So let's not waste any time. All right, let's get started. First, I'm picking the main font, Monroe Medium, size 9. Next, I go over to File, Page Setup, and set the orientation to Landscape. Then, I choose the page size, A5. For a gift certificate, this is the perfect size. Not too big, not too small. Now, we set the margins. Top 0, bottom 0, left and right 1.5 centimeters. Click OK. Done. Great. Let's move down a bit. Hit Enter twice. Center the text and type in our main heading, Gift Certificate. I highlight the text and increase the size to 60. Now let's change the font. Go to More Fonts, type in Viadora. Check the box and hit Done. Select Viadora. Beautiful, clean, perfect for the heading. Set the size to 30 and scroll down a bit. Next, we add a subheading. Open More Fonts again. Type Pinion Script, check the box, and confirm Done. Select it and type in your subheading text. To make the text a bit more compact, highlight it all, go to Custom Spacing, set line spacing to 0.8, and confirm. Perfect. The text looks neat and balanced. Now let's create a table. Insert Table. Choose a 3-column table. Select the middle column, go to Table Options, Column Width. Check the box and enter 2 centimeters. Nice. Structure is ready. Next, fill in the table. First, change the font back to Monroe Medium. Type in the text, for example, 2. If the font didn't apply, highlight the whole row, select Monroe Medium again, and apply. Then add From in the right column. We need more rows. Right-click, Insert Row below, and repeat to add a few rows. Fill them in, highlight. Now, let's remove the borders. Go to Table Options, Color, Table Border, set it to 0. Great, borders are gone. Next, add an underline. Highlight the first row. Click Bottom Border. Set thickness to 1 point. Color gray. Subtle and neat. Do the same for the row below. Bottom border, 1 point. Now I want to remove the middle column, leaving a bit of empty space. Select the middle border and remove the bottom border. Perfect. Scroll down and insert another table, this time 2 columns. Adjust the right column a little. This is where we'll place the QR code. Click inside, insert image from computer, and insert your QR code. Set in front of text so we can adjust freely and resize to fit. Move it slightly to the right, looks clean. In the left column, add your text. And let's lower it a little. Remove the table borders here as well, table border 0. And that's it. Your gift certificate is ready and looking great. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss new design guides like this one. And hey, if you want to save time or just use a ready layout, you can download the free template from the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.